Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Hello guys, I'm out here in Charter House.
Hi!
Charter House.
This is the Charter House. So you can see the building. It's very beautiful. With 7-Eleven downstairs, and this is the Greenbelt. Greenbelt and then Greenbelt 1. Come on, let's go. Good morning. Afternoon pala. This is the hotel interior. Resto in the second floor, and then this is the lunch area, and so come on, let's go. This is the restaurant here in Charter House. This is the restaurant, and the kitchen. There we go. So hello guys, we're now here in the Charter House. And we're gonna view the rooms. So come on, let's go. 8th floor. 8th floor. This is the Charter House elevator. That's the elevator. Button, faucet. This is the penthouse. Wow. The bar. Oh, this is a pool. Very small, but very beautiful. At least there is a pool. Kind of cold. So this is the view of Greenbelt. As you can see, the view of Greenbelt 3. This is Greenbelt 1 with the parking there. Very beautiful view with the buildings on top. Wow! It's the price list. So room type. The room rates is 3,350 for Superior, 3,500, 3,650 for Premier, 3,800, 5,350, 5,500, 5,700, 6,000. So this is the rooms: Superior room, Premier room, VIP suite, family room. Then pod, this one they have swimming pool, coffee shop, and the room, meeting room. This is the location map. One for Legacy Street, Legacy Village, Makati. And this is Charter House. Hello. Hi, Daddy. This is our room. Wow. Happy New Year! Hi!
We're here in Chartered House. It's December 31. It's New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. Guys, we're gonna swim now, December 31, in the Charter House. So come on, join with me. And let's go to swim in the Charter House. Pool here in Charter House at night. The cashier and here you go, Charter House. Greenbelt 3, Greenbelt 1, and Greenbelt 2 over there, I think over there. So this is near Greenbelt. Yeah, this is not just near, this is front, the front is Greenbelt. Check out now, so we're now here in the ground floor. Hi, Charter House. Bye-bye. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.